Welcome to another crypto market update with Glenny Doge. Starting off the new year in a very good way. Things are up pretty good today. Shiba Inu up almost 5.5%. Dogecoin up over 4%. Bitcoin up almost 3%. Ethereum up just over 3%. Solana up almost 7%. Dog with Hat up almost 8%. XRP up almost 3%. So we are seeing a lot of green on the screen today. Now, what I have here is the Dogecoin hourly chart. This blue box is the range that we have been consolidating in for the past almost 2 weeks. So what we need to do and what we want to see if you are bullish is we need to see Dogecoin break and hold above 35 cents to truly start on a breakout and move up. At the moment, things are looking very good, and I think we'll break above that 35-cent level within a few days. Looking at the 15-minute chart, you can see that we went up to just about 34.5 cents and got rejected. We've been sent down here, went as low as 0.334, and now we have since bounced from that area up here to 0.338. Now, I want to go over a discovery I made last night. If you could head over to X and follow my account at CryptoLeaves, I would greatly appreciate it. The daily RSI dropped all the way down to 34 on December 19th, 2024. It has not been that low since August 7th, 2024. Let that sink in. This is important because the price correction that started on December 9th, 2024 sent us all the way down to 26 cents. We fell a good bit, but not far enough to be out of the parameters of a normal, healthy correction. This means that the price remained propped up much higher than when the initial move happened. But the RSI fell way down to the level we haven't seen since the crash we had in early August. That was back when the price was below 10 cents and everything was very bearish. Bitcoin was around 57K. Now, we just went through a full market reset, which paved the way for the new all-time highs we will be seeing for Dogecoin in the coming weeks or months. The daily RSI moved down far enough to provide plenty of space to move higher for a sustained period of time. We are about to see massive green candles. The direction is up. Now, I can demonstrate this here on the chart. This is the daily Dogecoin chart. RSI is at the bottom of the screen. You can see that the last time the RSI was this low was back in August. So you can see that the price held up well, and Dogecoin is looking very strong. It didn't fall that far. That's a pretty massive correction, but it didn't fall that far compared to the RSI fell all the way down here. We are in a very strong bull market. Within the past few weeks, it has been very bearish and looking very bad. But since we are in a bull market, dips and corrections are followed by very large moves to the upside, which is what we are about to see. We've moved this far up and the RSI is still not overbought. This is Ethereum on the 4-hour chart. You can see that this is just only the beginning. We just crossed above the 0 line on the MACD today, last night, coming into this morning. The Bitcoin dominance is putting up a fight. It's back up to almost 58%. XRP has moved massively from about $2 all the way up to $2.40. The MACD is starting to curl down, and we may see a bit of a plateau here for a moment. Now, going over to CoinMarketCap, we can see the Fear and Greed Index is at 51. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin ETF inflows. We have a positive inflow today of 5.3 million. Ethereum ETFs are actually outperforming Bitcoins with a daily inflow of 36 million. Taking a look at the stock market, the S&P, NASDAQ, and Dow Jones are all down just over a quarter point. Yet we are seeing a lot of strength in the crypto market. Now, if you've been watching this long, I have a question for the viewers. Do you think that Bitcoin will make a new all-time high, or is the top for the cycle in? Leave your answer in the comments, and as always, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, This is just my opinion. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.